Hello, Nomad Sculpt and Procreate teamwork number 10. Let's create such a Game Boy. This video is not about sculpting itself, it's creating a 3D object very fast with Nomad Sculpt. Okay, we need the internet and search a picture, silhouette, Game Boy, like this. And press on the picture and save it to the photos. Then you need, it's a teamwork, Procreate. And we create a new canvas, a square. And here, bring your photo into into Procreate, sorry, and press fit to canvas like this. And the PNG got a white background. Yes, but it's not a big problem. You can swipe down with 3 fingers, copy it, make a mask, swipe, and insert it and press reverse. Then you can pinch it together, and then you get this without a background. Okay, now we need a layer, and we have to select this parts and inverse and press new layer, and then choose a darker gray color like this and fill the layer. This is the body of the Game Boy. Then go back to the main layer with a silhouette, and here select the next parts. You can pick here and create a new layer, plus, and fill layer. Then you get this, and that's it. More we don't need. And now export the layers, share it as a JPEG, save, and this layer save. This was a part of Procreate. Now we need a online application. It's free. This one, image to STL. Choose your photo. Extrude is okay. Change the size and the depth, and create your file. This is the body of the Game Boy. Download it and press on next picture. And we need this. 1, 1. And convert it. Okay, download. That's it. Then we need Nomad Sculpt. This is a Game Boy. Let's create a new scene. Yes. sorry, I changed the render resolution. Post-process is off, perspective is off, and now these are at the top our two image STL files. Bring it into Nomad, drag and drop. That's it. This mesh we can hide. It's now we have a very low pixelation. These are only 3000 vertices. We need a voxel remesh. Voxel, keep sharp edges, and use a higher resolution and remesh it. And at this point, we can use the round all brush. It's a smooth brush with settings. And sorry, I go back. I think this, yes. Now the object has round edges. This brush is explained in a other video how to create it. It's only the smooth brush with grab dynamic radius. And okay, then we need the other mesh. Oh, I deleted it. Sorry, let's do the step again. We measure a little bit lower. Okay. I think it's okay. Now let's go to this mesh. We need it twice, duplicate it, hide one, and let's show all the meshes and bring it in a position like this. And now hide this mesh, select the other mesh, and voxel merge, keep sharp edges. Now you get this. It looks like a Game Boy. And you can use a cell mask, check front facing vertex only, symmetry off, and you can use the rectangular function to mask this part. And in the settings you can split the mesh. Now this is your display. Okay. The next thing is we need this mesh again. Okay, this is this. This is this, and this is this. Check it only. It's not so fine, but for the demonstration it works. Okay. Now we need this. Use the gizmo to make it smaller. Solo view off. And bring it in position. And you can remesh it. Yes, let's remesh it. Keep sharp edges. And you can use the round all brush again. A little bit like this. And the mesh here, you can separate the parts. Now you get every part of its own, and hold the smooth button, select the both and simple merge it, and you can round it a little bit more. And this one, you can give it a color, paint all, and this one, grayscale. Simple merge the objects, paint it. Have to make it bigger. I got simple merge, color, and this is I think red, paint all. And this one we can give a color like such, no, this one. Like this, and change the material to additive. And here in the post-processing you can give it a bloom here like this, and the display shines, and change the color. This is you can play around with it. And yes, the details, you can spend more time on it. But one last thing, that's nice. For the Game Boy name on the object, there's a online tool, text to STL. Game Boy. Oh, and here you can make it like this and export it, and go to Nomad Sculpt and drag and drop here the file. It's real big, no problem. Scale it down and move to the origin and reset the view. Paint it black. Oh. Bring it in position. Like this. Okay. And here with the gizmo you can play around a little bit and adjust the buttons and remesh or voxel remesh this circle out of the body. But this is how it works. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.